How much is the most expensive house in the world? Mentioning the word home evokes a sense of comfort and modesty. For most of us, it's not the size that matters as much as the soothe and security we feel within this place called home, but, for those who are listed as the richest people on earth, there's more to a home than just modesty and utility. To those who ace the lists of Forbes' top billionaires and who have the most expensive houses in the world, home is a place where they can spend most of their fortune, afford unimaginable luxuries and flaunt their wealth. For example, if you take a quick tour inside Donald Trump's house, you'll find nearly everything in gold. Also, the Bill Gates house, where he has screens that display any desired painting, photo or artwork that cost a minimum of $1.5 million, and you think that's the most expensive house in the world. Maybe. But let's find out. And by the way, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. Odeon Tower Penthouse, Monaco. The title for the world's most expensive apartment may soon belong to the penthouse of the new Odeon Tower in Monaco. Bloomberg estimates its price tag when it goes on sale this year, at about $4 million. The 5-story penthouse will have 35,500 square feet of interior space, including a master bedroom, the size of 2.5 tennis courts. Perhaps its most distinctive feature will be the open-air pool and curved 2-story water slide, notched into the building's upper floors. It's a spectacle to behold. Whitandhurst, London. Whitandhurst, which in Old English means Parliament on the Hill, was designed by George Hubbard to portray the Georgian-style Parkfield estate that earlier stood on the property. It has a 70-foot swimming pool, 2 basements, movie theater, gym, a sauna, and parking spaces. The living space of the house adds up to 90,000 square feet, bringing its value to an estimated $450 million. It is owned by the Russian billionaire Andrei Gurayev. Villa Leopolda, France. This French Riviera estate takes its name from King Leopold II of Belgium, who acquired the property in the late 1890s. Since then it has had a number of owners. It served as a military hospital during the First World War, and appeared in the classic ballet film, The Red Shoes, and supposedly in Alfred Hitchcock's To Catch a Thief. Today it is owned by Lily Safra, a philanthropist and the widow of the billionaire banker Edmond Safra. The 29,000 square foot main house reportedly has 11 bedrooms and 14 baths. There are also 2 guest houses, a pool, and some 20 acres of trees and gardens said to keep 50 gardeners busy full-time. Its recent value has been estimated at $750 million. Antilia, Mumbai. Probably the world's priciest private residence, often valued at $1 billion, Antilia is a 400,000 square foot 27-story mansion, completed in 2010. In fact, calling it 27 stories hardly does it justice. At 570 feet in height, it is the equivalent of a 50 to 60-story building, with an offbeat shape that defies easy description. The New York Times characterized it as a Blade Runner meets Babylon edifice. The towering mansion, apparently named after a mythical island in the Atlantic Ocean, is owned by Mukesh Ambani, chairman of Reliance Industries and reportedly the richest person in India. According to The Guardian, its amenities include 3 helipads, a 50-seat movie theater and 6 floors of parking space that can accommodate 168 cars. To maintain all that, Ambani employs a staff strength of 600 workers. Buckingham Palace, London. Although it's unlikely to come on the market anytime soon, The palatial residence of Great Britain's Queen Elizabeth II is generally agreed to be the world's most valuable residence, estimated by Money magazine among others, to be worth some $1.55 billion. Part of that price tag may be due to the palace's royal provenance and part to its location in London, a city whose land is among the world's most expensive. But the building isn't too shabby, either. Buckingham Palace has 775 rooms, including 52 bedrooms for the royals and their guests, 188 bedrooms for staff, 78 bathrooms and 92 offices. That's in addition to 19 staterooms. Among them are a state dining room, a music room and, an obvious necessity for any sitting monarch, a throne room. The ballroom is a more recent addition, built by Queen Victoria in time to celebrate the end of the Crimean War in 1856. The palace's gardens cover some 40 acres. Now you have it, these billionaire homes, their extensive estates, and their impressive scale, astound us with their impeccable opulence and grandeur. What will you do with $1.55 billion? Let us know in the comment section below, and don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, cause it really helps us out when you do so. See you in the next video.